There you go, Jerry. Yeah.
But you want to make sure you're not pulling too hard and put too much tension when you're planting. Just kind of hold the ends up like this. I like it. That was my favorite. You got it. Yes.
So you're gonna want to work on, when we come back, you're gonna want to work on your parts.
Okay.
Your parts and keeping the hair clipped out of your wig, okay? Okay. You have your tool? So you're sitting this direction, so you should be coming in this way for your one. You want to remember that your one is going to make it lay flat.
Okay.
So you see now this goes this direction?
Wow.
The one is going to make it lay flat.
Okay.
Okay? But you have plenty of room to do another rotation.
Okay.
So you see how right here is kind of loose? We're going to act as if that was breakage.
Okay.
You would go in with the comb and basically slide the rotations all the way down. Slide it down.
Okay.
And slide it down. And the rest of the loose hair, just retighten as normal.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to take this class. I've wanted to learn more about interlocking, and because of you, I am able to expand my horizons. I'm retiring, and I would like to have the opportunity to continue to stay in the workplace. As a result of me taking this class, I have another opportunity to move from one career to another. And I want to thank you for all the different parts that you have instilled in me, not only the skill of microlocking, but also marketing myself so that I can grow my clientele. Thank you.